Hi, welcome back to Shijo Michael's Creations. This video is about important national and international days. Actually, I prepared this video for the SSC students, but this video will be useful for your preparation to UPSC, DSC, groups exams, etc. It's a very good opportunity for the GK aspiring students to improve their knowledge. Now let us dive into the video. Let us start with the important days in January. January 1st, as you know, it is the New Year Day as well as it is the Global Family Day. January 2nd, Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti. Guru Gobind Singh was the 10th and last Sikh Guru who was a great inspiration to the people. January 6th, World Day for War Orphans. January 9th, Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. It is also known as Non-Resident Indians Day, and it is observed to mark the contribution of the overseas Indian communities towards the development of India. January 10th, World Hindi Day. It is the anniversary of first Hindi conference conducted in 1975 by Srimati Indira Gandhi, the Prime Minister of that time. January 11th, the death anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri, who was a great freedom fighter. January 12th, Swami Vivekananda's birthday, and it is celebrated as the National Youth Day. January 15th, Indian Army Day. On January 15, 1949, General K.M. Kariyappa became the first Indian to take charge of the Indian Army. January 23rd, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti. January 24th, National Girl Child Day. It is to highlight the inequalities faced by the girl children in the country. January 25th, it is National Voters Day. It is the foundation day of Election Commission in India in 1950, so January 25th is celebrated as the National Voters Day. January 25th is also celebrated as National Tourism Day to raise awareness and importance of tourism in the economy. Next, January 26th, Republic Day of India and the International Customs Day. It is on 26 January 1950, our constitution came into force and India became a sovereign country in the world. So, January 26th is celebrated as Republic Day of India. January 27th, International Day of Commemoration. This day commemorates the Holocaust, that is, mass killing of the Jews by the Nazis during Second World War. January 28th, it is the birth anniversary of Lala Lajpat Rai, who was a great freedom fighter. January 30, it is Shahid Divas or Martyrs Day, and we celebrate the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, and this day is called as Shahid Divas or Martyrs Day. Now let us move to important days in February. February 1st, it is the Indian Coast Guard Day. February 2nd, World Wetlands Day. February 4th, World Cancer Day. February 10th, National Deworming Day. February 12th is observed as Darwin Day as well as National Productivity Day. February 13th, World Radio Day, and it is also the birth anniversary of Sarojini Naidu. February 14th, Valentine's Day. February 19th, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti. February 20th, World Day of Social Justice. February 21st, International Mother Tongue Day. February 23rd, World Rotary Day. February 24th, Central Excise Day. February 27th, World NGO Day, Non-Governmental Organizations Day. February 28th, National Science Day. As we know, on this day, Raman effect was invented by Sir C.V. Raman, and he was awarded with the Nobel Prize in 1930. Now let us go through the important days in March. March 1st, World Civil Defense Day as well as Zero Discrimination Day. March 3rd, National Defense Day as well as World Wildlife Day. March 4th, National Security Day. March 8th, International Women's Day. It is celebrated to commemorate all cultural, political and socio-economic achievements of women. March 10th, CISF Racing Day. CISF means Central Industrial Security Force, and it was set up in 1969 and they work with the state police. March 12th, World Kidney Day. March 14th, birth anniversary of Albert Einstein. March 15th, World Consumer Rights Day. March 16th, National Vaccination Day. It is also known as National Immunization Day. It was first observed on 16th March 1995 when the first dose of oral polio vaccine was given. March 18th, Global Recycling Day. It is celebrated to create awareness about depletion of the natural resources and importance to reuse the resources. Next, March 20th, International Day of Happiness. March 21st, International Day of Forest and also World Down Syndrome Day. March 22nd, World Water Day. March 23rd, World Meteorological Day, and it is celebrated to attract attention towards changes in the weather and climate. March 24th, World Tuberculosis Day, and March 27th, World Theatre Day. It was celebrated since 1962. This day is celebrated to raise importance of the art form of theatre. Now let us discuss about the important days in April. 2nd April is celebrated as World Autism Awareness Day. April 4th, International Day for Mine Awareness. April 5th, National Maritime Day of India. And on this day, first ship traveled to UK from India on 5th April 1919. April 7th, World Health Day. April 11th, National Safe Motherhood Day. April 12th, International Day of Human Space Flight. April 13th, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre Day. And on April 13th, 1919, General Dyer ordered to shoot at the common people who gathered at Amritsar in Punjab. April 14th, Ambedkar Jayanti, or it is also known as Bhim Jayanti. April 18th, World Heritage Day. April 21st, National Civil Service Day. April 22nd, International Earth Day. April 23rd, World Book and Copyright Day. April 24th, National Panchayati Raj Day. On this day, there was the 73rd Amendment in the Constitution of India and added the Panchayati Raj rules to the Constitution. It was on 24th April 1993. April 25th, World Malaria Day. April 26th, World Intellectual Property Day. April 28th, World Day for Safety and Health at Work. April 30, Ayushman Bharat Divas. On this day in 2018, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched Ayushman Bharat Yojana to provide affordable medical facilities to the common people. Now let us discuss about the important days in May. May 1st, International Labour Day. This day is celebrated to encourage the labourers to be aware of their rights. May 3rd, Press Freedom Day and International Energy Day. May 5th, World Midwives Day. May 7th, World Asthma Day. May 8th, World Red Cross Day. It is the birth anniversary of Henry Dunant, who is the founder of Red Cross Society to help the people who are suffering because of war and natural calamity. May 9th, Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti. May 11th, National Technology Day. May 12th, International Nurses Day. May 15th, International Day of Family. May 17th, World Telecommunication Day as well as World Hypertension Day. May 21st, National Anti-Terrorism Day, and it is the death anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi. May 24th, Brothers Day. May 29th, Mount Everest Day. It is celebrated in the memory of first summit of Mount Everest by Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay Sherpa on this day in 1953. May 31st, Anti-Tobacco Day, to raise awareness about health and other risks of associated with tobacco. Now let us move to important days in June. June 1st, Global Day of Parents and World Milk Day. June 3rd, World Bicycle Day. June 5th, World Environment Day. June 7th, World Food Safety Day. June 8th, World Oceans Day. June 12th, World Day Against Child Labor. June 13th, International Albinism Awareness Day. It's a kind of disease that is the lack of melanin or with no melanin production. That means the color of the skin will be white. There will be no color. Then June 14th, World Blood Donor Day. June 15th, Global Wind Day. June 16th, International Integration Day. June 17th, World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought. June 19th, World Sickle Cell Day. It is also a kind of disease in which red blood cells contort into a sickle shape. June 20th, World Refugees Day. It is celebrated by UN to honor the refugees all around the world. June 21st, International Day of Yoga and the International Father's Day also. June 23rd, International Olympic Day. June 26th, International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Now let us discuss the important days in July. July 1st, it is observed as the GST Day as well as the National Doctors Day. It is the birth and death anniversary of most famous physician of India, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, and that day is celebrated as National Doctors Day. July 2nd, World Sports Journalists Day. July 4th, American Independence Day. July 6th, World Zoonosis Day, and this is the day to think about the diseases which is spreading from animals to the human beings, because on this day 6th July 1885, Louis Pasteur successfully administered the first vaccine against rabies. July 11th, World Population Day. July 12th, NABARD Foundation Day and World Malala Day. Malala Yousafzai was attacked by Taliban in Pakistan because she was an advocate of education for the girl child in Pakistan. July 15th, World Youth Skills Day. July 17th, World Day of International Justice. July 18th, Nelson Mandela Day. Nelson Mandela was one of the most famous person from South Africa who worked for the freedom of South Africa. July 19th, Bank Nationalization Day. It was 19th July 1969. 14 largest banks in India were nationalized. So that day is considered as Bank Nationalization Day of India. July 26th, Kargil Vijay Divas. There was a war between India and Pakistan in 1919 from May 3rd to July 26th. So July 26th is celebrated as the Kargil Vijay Divas. July 28th, World Nature Conservation Day. July 29th, International Tiger Day. July 30, World Day Against Trafficking in Persons. Here we discuss about the important days in August. August 1st, World Lung Cancer Day and National Mountain Climbing Day. August 6th, Hiroshima Day. On this day, in 1945, an atom bomb was dropped into the city of Hiroshima, and in remembrance of that day, it is known as Hiroshima Day. August 7th, Handloom Day. It is the commemoration of Swadeshi movement started in the year 1905. Then August 8th, Quit India movement. Quit India movement was started on 8th August 1942 when All India Congress Committee session conducted in Bombay under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi and launched the program Quit India movement. August 9th, Nagasaki Day. On 9th August 1945, another atom bomb was dropped into the city of Nagasaki, and in remembrance of that day is celebrated as Nagasaki Day. August 12th, World Elephant Day and International Youth Day. August 15th, Independence Day of India. August 19th, World Humanitarian Day. August 20, Sadbhavana Divas and also Indian Akshay Urja Day. Sadbhavana Divas means the birth anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi, former Prime Minister of India. August 21st, World Senior Citizens Day. August 23rd, International Day for Remembrance of the Slave Trade and its Abolition. August 26th, Women's Equality Day. August 29th, National Sports Day on the birth anniversary of Dhyan Chand, who was the great hockey player and hockey legend of India, and in memory of that, National Sports Day is celebrated in India. Let us go through the important days in September. September 1st, National Nutrition Week begins. September 2, World Coconut Day. September 5, National Teachers Day as well as International Day of Charity. National Teachers Day is celebrated on the occasion of the birthday of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great teacher as well as the former President of India. September 8th, International Literacy Day. September 10, World Suicide Prevention Day. September 11th, birth anniversary of Acharya Vinoba Bhave. September 14th, Hindi Divas. 14th September is celebrated as Hindi Day to commemorate adoption of Hindi as one of the official language of India. Next, September 15th, International Day of Democracies and National Engineers Day. September 16th, World Ozone Day. September 21st, International Peace Day. September 25th, World Pharmacist Day and Social Justice Day. September 26th, Day of the Deaf. September 27th, World Tourism Day. September 29th, World Heart Day. September 30, International Translation Day. Now let us discuss about the important days in October. October 1st, it is the International Day of Elderly. October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, it is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. October 4th, World Animal Welfare Day. October 8th, Indian Air Force Day, and on this day, the Air Force of India was officially raised in 1932 as the supporting force of Royal Air Force of UK. October 10th, National Post Day as well as National Mental Health Day. October 11th, International Day for the Girl Child. October 13th, International Day for Natural Disaster Detection. October 14th, World Standards Day. October 15th, World Students Day. October 16th, World Food Day. To raise awareness about the poverty and hunger and to ensure food security, and it is the founding day of United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization in 1945. October 17, International Day for Eradication of Poverty. October 20, World Statistics Day. It is also celebrated by UN from 2010 onwards to acknowledge the importance of data and its authenticity and credibility across the globe. October 24th, UN Day and the World Polio Day. October 30, World Thrift Day. October 31st, National Unity Day, otherwise known as Rashtriya Ekata Divas. And it is the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and he was the first Union Home Minister who worked hard for the unification of India. Now let us go through the important days in November. November 1st, World Vegan Day. It is the founding day of Vegan Society in UK. That society follow vegan lifestyle which is beneficial for animal welfare and environment. They are vegetarians but they don't use any dairy products or any animal related products. November 5, World Tsunami Awareness Day. November 7, National Cancer Awareness Day. November 8, World Radiography Day. November 9th, Legal Services Day. November 10th, World Science Day for Peace and Development. November 11th, National Education Day of India. It is the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, who was a great freedom fighter and first education minister of independent India. November 12th, World Pneumonia Day. November 14th, Children's Day as well as World Diabetics Day. Children's Day is celebrated. It is the birthday of first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. November 16th, International Day for Tolerance and Peace. November 17th, National Epilepsy Day, National Journalism Day and International Students Day. November 19th, International Men's Day. November 20th, Universal Children's Day. November 21st, World Television Day. UN General Assembly on 17th December 1996 proclaimed 21st November as the World Television Day. November 26th, National Constitution Day. Because on this day in 1949, the Constituent Assembly formally adopted the Constitution of India. So this day is celebrated as National Constitution Day. Now you will have a doubt about the Republic Day. What is Republic Day? It is celebrated on January 26 because January 26, 1950, it came into effect and India became a sovereign state. So this date is celebrated as the Republic Day. Here we go through the important days in December. December 1st, World AIDS Day. December 2nd, National Pollution Control Day. December 3rd, International Day of Disabled Persons. December 4th, Indian Navy Day. It is the day to commemorate Operation Trident during 1971 India-Pakistan War, when Indian Navy inflicted a heavy damage to the Pakistan vessels in Karachi harbour on this day. Then December 5, World Soil Day. December 7, International Civil Aviation Day. December 9th, International Anti-Corruption Day. December 10th, Human Rights Day. The date was chosen to honor the United Nations General Assembly's adoption and proclamation of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights on 10th December 1948. December 11th, UNICEF Day as well as the International Mountain Day. December 14th, National Energy Conservation Day. December 15th, International Tea Day. December 16th, Vijay Diwas, to mark the victory over Pakistan in 1971 war. December 18, National Minorities Rights Day and International Migrants Day. December 20th, International Human Solidarity Day. December 22nd, National Mathematics Day. It is the birthday of great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. December 23rd, Kisan Divas. It is the birth anniversary of Chaudhary Charan Singh, the 5th Prime Minister of India. December 24th, National Consumer Day. December 25th, as you know, it is the Christmas, and also in India it is celebrated as Good Governance Day, and it is the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and this day started to be celebrated from 2014. Here we are going to discuss about some dates that may change accordance with the calendar. That means there is no fixed date for this one. So, first one, World Leprosy Eradication Day. That is the last Sunday of January. So, there is no specific date. It may be 30, 31st, like that it will change. Next, Safer Internet Day. Second day of the second week of February. Next, No Smoking Day. Second Wednesday of March. World Kidney Day. Second Thursday of March. World Laughter Day. First Sunday of May. World Asthma Day. First Tuesday of May. 7. Mother's Day. Second Sunday of May. Father's Day. June 3rd Sunday. International Friendship Day. First Sunday of August. World Rivers Day. Fourth Sunday of September. World Habitat Day. First Monday of October. Finally, World Sight Day, second Thursday of October. Let us conclude this video with a quotation, that is, faith does not make things easy, it makes them possible. Here, faith is to believe what you do not see, and the reward for faith is to see what you believe. For example, if you have faith in yourself that you will become a great person, definitely you will achieve that. Even if it is the case of a job also. If you have faith in yourself, you will achieve that. So, thank you for watching this video. Be a great person.